Good morning, guys. It's me, Gmail. So the question is that is Great Course Plus worth it? Normally, I think the Great Course Plus changed their name to the Wondrism. Wondrium. I just love to call it the Great Core Plus. I'm using the Great Core Plus mostly. I started back in 2010, I think 2011, something like that. I started using their DVD. I purchased the DVD after that. Before it was the Great Core Plus. Then they launched the unlimited subscription similar to Netflix, the Great Core Plus, and I love it. I love it. It's so amazing. I learned so much history. Please stop wasting your time on listening to crappy music. Please stop waste time on watching this stupid social media TikTok crap video. Watch the Great Course Plus or whatever the new name is called. Like I forgot. Like I do not understand why people are wasting their time. The Great Course. Let me see the Great Course Plus. Okay, Wondrium. Jump to the screen. Let me continue my run there. So now you can see the Great Course Plus have become the Wondrium. Before the Great Course Plus, there was the Great Course on which you purchase the courses on DVD. I remember like my father used to purchase some of their safari guide or wildlife guide DVD. If you don't know, they are more than I think like 20-30 years old. I remember like back in 2004 or 2000, early 2000, my father used to purchase it. Again, this is the Great Course. You have to purchase for 70. But why pay? You pay for the per month or for the unlimited, for the access to the all of the Great Course Plus. So I pay like $30 for 3 months on a discount. So here my courses. Let me show you my watch list, the courses which I'm watching. Come on. Okay, these are my courses in watch list. There's so many great courses, especially I think I already finished this one, Unexpected Economics, amazing course. The Meaning of Life, I'm doing this course. Language Familiar of the world, of the world, I just finished like one of the episode, especially in Polynesia. I mean the languages in Polynesia. So these are my watch list. Okay, let me show you more. Okay, why Insect Matter? This is a new course I'm going to do. I mean the courses are added nearly every month. I mean I cannot just keep up with them. I mean another course I love is the World War II. I think everyone have to learn the Pacific War, World War II. Let me just watch. Okay, episode. Okay, let me just type Pacific. Okay, there's spelling mistake. I know. Pacific. Come on. Yeah, the World War, the Pacific Theater. I love this course. I finish it. If you do not believe me, let me show you. I already finished this course. As you can see, this yellow bar is your pro. So by the way, I also finished this one. Did I miss the episode 10? Really, I missed the episode 10 and 14. I have to like check it again. I mean, they are such amazing. Please stop wasting your time on stupid music, stupid TikTok, stupid crappy social media, stupid Facebook. Please spend some time and money such as this one, the Modern Home Study. I like it. Like, I mean, there's so much amazing courses. For example, like you wanna learn algebra, you wanna learn the physics of time, economic of the history of the world. Let me just start this one and they give you an insight. For example, like Marco Polo. Let me just play. Come on, Marco Polo. Okay, what happened? I think my internet is slow. Anyway, I highly recommend For example, you can go to CD, courses, documentary. Let me just open one by one. Documentary. Okay, and let me show you out here. Okay, Wondrium pilot introduction video of upcoming series. I'm going to do this one, Pirates, Fact and Fiction, The End Game. Also, I'm going to watch this one. And Wondrium exclusive, Black Dead. I'm going to add to my watch list. Okay. The story. Okay, this one also. Delicious dishes. Also. Okay. And then now Breaking Silence I already completed. Let me show you. I think you are not trusting me. It is like 2 hour nearly long video. Okay, yeah, it's 2 hour, nearly 2 hour. 2 hour long video I already complete. And again here this some minor 2-3 minutes video I just skip it. I already finished the main 2 hour. Mystery of China, I'm going to watch that one also. Also there's some travel series, I know travel series which I'm watching. Yeah, this one, Travel Darley, season 1. I'm at season 1. Let me show you. I really love it. I think it's much better than watching like a YouTube travel video. I already completed episode 1. Gundaloop is located in Caribbean. So yeah, totally worth it. Please learn a skill. It's much better you learn something new rather than watching and wasting time on YouTube. Check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.